My name is David Lian from Malaysia, resident at Petaling Jaya, part of KL. And I come to know about this eye dot a couple of weeks until I able to own a unit. So I got excited about this, hearing from testimony from the Dr. James and Dr. Bobby about this, and I attend one of few talks about it. So finally, I got this device, and this device, in the sense that it is certified a medical device. Not many devices have this kind of credential. So I got excited, and ever since I got my I thought I start on the clip first, to stimulate my brain, my nerves, so forth. And because I do not know the exact of acupoint yet before I start, so I want to do things right. So I attend some talk with Dr. Bobby, and after that he tell me, oh, for this area, that is the best part to do. Even I got testimony, actually, very encouraged by Mark himself, where his wife also had a cataract and also had this fear of going to the surgery. So, and when Mark had this, he treated the wife, immediately got an instant kind of healing. So I also, I got my cataract issue, and this issue like a couple of years already. And the reason I avoid surgery because at my age, so I don't want to go under a knife, and no point, So I was thinking of let it be.